Hey guys, Chickadee Maine, aka Daboo, Daboo.com with the Daboo.com Surf Forecast Update. This forecast update effective around 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on Sunday, August 3rd, 2014. And guys, just like we said in our last video update, it looks like we've gone into an active phase now. Lots of things happening. There's three areas that we're monitoring this morning. One is off the northeast Florida coast in here, as the models were hinting at an area of low pressure trying to develop along the coast. So we're watching this area here. Also down in here in the Florida Straits. Now, this is in the area where the National Hurricane Center was putting a 10% chance of development on a system in here. Now, this looks like Bertha is kind of nudging this off towards the west-northwest. Don't know what's going to happen here, but there are some positive signs here and a lot of deep convection. You can see the high-pressure ridge is trying to work its way in here and also maybe nudging this over South Florida. Unclear at the moment if this might be able to work over towards the Gulf of Mexico, but wind shear environment is favorable in here. In fact, it's more favorable here than what it is over Bertha. Taking a look at Bertha now, here's the latest satellite loop on Bertha. Bertha looks like it's trying to organize in here. The latest forecast is for it to stay a tropical storm, possible hurricane next 48 to 72 hours as it moves up towards the northwest and then off towards the northeast. Looks like surf alert coming. Outer Banks says seas forecast to increase in excess of 20 feet next 48 hours or so in a strong south-southeast gradient. So winds on the East Bahama buoy are now cranked up 25 to 30 knots, and the Northeast Bahama buoy southeast at 15 to 20, and East Canaveral buoy is also starting to crank up. The swell that you're seeing on the beach now is not Bertha swell. Bertha swell is now showing up on the indicator buoys, Northeast Bahama, East Bahama, and South Bermuda buoy. What's showing up on the beaches now is a persistent southeast wind over the last several days on the East Canaveral buoy. And that's going to be changing as Bertha starts to move a little bit more towards the north. Looking at the latest, give me a second here, looking at the latest out of the Ocean Prediction Center calling seas increasing 7 to 10 feet in here over the next 24 hours. And as you can see, they've got an area of low pressure depicted just east of the Florida coast. Here's Bertha down here with seas now are forecast at 18 feet. That's going to be in excess of 20 feet over the next 24 to 48 hours. And again, that southeast fetch aimed at the Outer Banks. Guys, that's all we got for you for now. Stay tuned for the next update. If you have not signed up for the Daboo.com network text message service, we sent out over 6 or 7 texts this morning, real-time updates. Text Daboo, D-A-B-U-H, to the number 51660. Respond yes when prompted. Become a network member today. Stay tuned to the forecast.